Something is fascinating about fasciation in plants. Plant collectors are always on the lookout for the unique and unusual, and fasciated plants are no exception. It could be hormonal imbalances, genetics, fungi, bacteria, infection, virus, or physical injury to the plant. Environmental causes such as cold temperatures may also contribute. It's a unique beauty that can be compared to the coral shapes I used to see while skin diving off of Sunset Beach, Hawaii, where I once lived. This beauty is what makes plant fasciation so captivating and awe-inspiring. Yet imagine a lily with hundreds of flowers on a stem. This is just one example of the many plants that can exhibit fasciation, a phenomenon that never fails to captivate plant enthusiasts. My friend Peg Smith messaged me when one of her lilies fasciated. I happily visited her beautiful garden for a once-in-a-lifetime look at this phenomenal lily mutation. This experience further deepened my fascination with plant fasciation, a reminder of the endless wonders nature has in store for us.